There's a reason why there's such a buzz behind the franchise, is because you got you got the best player in the draft, and you have a you have a legitimate superstar in the making in Macklin Celebrini. Like this is massive for the Sharks, and this is why you lost all those games. And you're going to pair him with Will Smith, you're going to pair him with William Eklund, and you have Casper Holton and Quentin Musty, and whatever else the Sharks continue to do going forward. I don't see how you can't be confident